Hi, how you doing? Welcome back once again to how to cook great food on the menu today. And as you can see here, absolutely beautiful. We're going to make a really creamy, we're using coconut in this, cauliflower curry. It's so easy to make and it's delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So here's our cauliflower. It's about 4 cups of cauliflower there. I've cut it into nice kind of little pieces, bite-sized florets. 1 onion, cilantro, coriander, whatever you call that. Here we've got the big 4, equal parts, 2 teaspoons each, cumin, turmeric, coriander and chili. Fresh chili, the amount's up to you want to put in. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then here I've got 2 cups of coconut milk. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. It is delicious. So nothing to it really, it's very easy to make this. I've got some oil in there, I'm using a sunflower oil, you could be using something different. We're going to pop in our black mustard seeds and our cumin seeds, and just for a few seconds let them do their thing in the oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a fantastic flavour. Don't skip this part, it's always very important to do this. Next up, we're going to add in our onion. And we're on quite a high heat. We're going to go for 3 minutes. And just as our onions are changing colour, we're going to introduce the cauliflower. I'm also now going to add some salt. And again, let's go for 3 more minutes. Fantastic. Let's drop in our 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. If you don't have this, you can just chop some garlic and ginger, get it nice and small and get it in. We're now going to add in our fresh chili. Like I said, that's up to you how much you put in. And then we're going to go for our powders. Let's take a look again. We've got equal parts of coriander, chili, cumin and turmeric. If you wanted, you could use a curry powder mix that you already have. I just think this is a little bit better. And very simply now I'm going to introduce our coconut milk. We're going to turn the heat down to a medium. And we'll let that go for about 4 to 5 minutes and we're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. That is looking beautiful. A little bit of cilantro, coriander in the end. Check it for salt. If you wanted a little bit of garam masala powder, I'm happy just like this. Little mix, and that is wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.